What's good, everybody? First of all, you matter. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Make sure you're out there showing support to all the breast cancer survivors and honoring the ones that fall. But we are about to get into this unboxing. I got a dual unboxing of the DualSense 5 PlayStation 5 controller and the PlayStation 5 HD camera. First of all, I'm excited for the controller. I'm not really too excited for the camera. I got a lot of cameras around the house and I don't think I'll be using this. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here's an overview of the box. It's just a plain white box. Back of the box. Adaptive triggers, haptic feedback, built-in microphone, and signature comfort, which is weird that they're marketing that on this generation's controller. The box is actually kind of hard to get into, and I couldn't find my knife, so I'm using a iFixit wedge or a spudger tool. I don't know what it's called, but a box inside of a box, a white box. Here's the warranty information and manual. Here's the controller. As you can see, I tried hooking up to my Xbox to see if it'll do anything. Tried turning it on, tried every button. No bueno. No luck, nothing. But I like the orange LED lights as it's charging. But yeah, here's a close-up comparison to the Xbox Series 2 Elite controller. And this is like why I really wanted to dive into PlayStation this year. Like the controller like looks a lot like Xbox, but it feels a lot like Xbox's controller by the comfortability standpoint. Like it's almost the same size. Alright, next we're gonna get into the HD camera. It's pretty simple unboxing. Well, very similar to the DualSense controller. It's all white box with PlayStation's interface logos on it. The actual product, front, back, and compatible hardware, exact same. I got a knife this time. Another white box inside of a white box. And this comes straight in see-through plastic. The other one came in like a overcoating. The controller came in like a overcoating of foam and like a very slim foam material. You would think this would come in the same thing, seeing how it's a camera and it has sensors. USB 3, I'm guessing. It doesn't say on the package anywhere, but it's a blue insert and USB type A to super speed, so I'm guessing it's a 3 or 3.1. The inside of the stand or the adjustable stand, it has those same patterns of the very micro controller interface buttons, that X, circle, square, and triangle. Like the same grip that's on the back of the controller, they have the inside the camera stand. the cable is not detachable. It's a fixed cable to the actual camera. So if you want to place your camera far away from the console, just be aware that the cable is not detachable and you can't buy a longer cable. So alright, so that was my unboxing of the DualSense 5, or the DualSense controller and the HD webcam. Let me know what accessories you guys are getting. I also have a Pulse 3D headset coming in the mail. It's just Best Buy didn't have it in stock. Best Buy had these in stock today, October 30th. So Tuesday I should be getting a Pulse 3D headset, and I'll do an unboxing review of that. That's probably one of my favorite besides the controller, because like I game off a monitor and I don't use speakers on monitor. I always use a headset. So that's one thing I didn't think about, something that y'all should be thinking about if you guys are switching over to PlayStation, or if you guys are going to PlayStation as like your first console, is headset. What headset you gonna use? There's a lot of headsets on the market. Personally, I run SteelSeries on Xbox, and since that's gonna be my main console, I'm just getting a Pulse 3D headset because it has some features that are exclusive to PlayStation, I guess, and that's what I'll be using on there whenever I game on PlayStation 5. But comment, like the content if you like the content, dislike it. Hey, if you dislike the video, dislike it. If you have any questions, the comment box is open down below. I'm always up. More than likely, if you message me, or if you comment, I'll comment back within like 30 minutes or within 15 minutes or so. But subscribe if you want to see the future content, and hit the bell if you want to be notified. But that's all I got for you guys today. Have a good day.